Konnichiwa, Japanese anime fans. So, worst cosplay ever, but I had a special request for this character, and I'm excited to present Nezuko. Okay, so our first step for Nezuko's box is building the cake. So I did this off screen. If anyone's interested in watching me do this, let me know because I can do another video of it. This is the impression mat that I'm going to use for the wood grain. Some of it's a little big, so I might just use this side. Okay, now I'm going to work on Nezuko, and I have this awesome sugar paste by Pasta Saraceno, and I'm using a projector because I really want to make sure the proportions are right and also her face is right. So what I've done is created a ball approximately the same size of her face and head, so that I can now use that as the base, and then I can put on the hair, and then I'll use the projector as well to paint on her eyes to make sure that they're absolutely perfect in proportion. So I will do the hair next.